What's up YouTube? Today we are using the Pythagoras theorem to find missing sides. In the previous video we went over how to find the hypotenuse, but now we're given the hypotenuse and we need to find the missing side. It's really similar, but there is one word different, and this time we're going to do square everything subtract root, square everything subtract root, square everything subtract root, square everything subtract root, square everything subtract root. Okay, so this one here, we need to check, is it a right angled triangle? Yes. Are we given the hypotenuse? Yeah, which means we can find our missing side. So our first step was square everything. So 10 squared is 100. 8 squared, 64. Square everything subtract. So now we need to do, well, we're either going to do 64 minus 100, which will get us a negative number, or 100 subtract 64. Always you want a positive number, so do big number, take away the smaller number. 100 take away 64 is 36. Square everything subtract root. So now we need to find the root of 36. Root of 36, 6. It's that easy. Square everything subtract root. Square everything subtract root. This one here, we're going to, what's the problem with this one here? Well, we can only solve questions like this when we have a hypotenuse. 19 is the longest side, but why is it not a hypotenuse? Well, it's not a hypotenuse because there's no right angle here. And because it's not a right angle triangle, it's not a hypotenuse. We can't solve that one. So we got one fewer question. This one here, is it a right angle triangle? Yes, which means where's our hypotenuse? 25. So we're going to do square everything subtract root. So 25 squared, 24 squared. We're going to get our answers. 25 squared, 625. 24 squared, 576. We're now going to do 625 subtract 576 because it's square everything subtract root. We'll get 49. Square everything subtract, and now we need to root it. Root 49. That's 7. Okay, that's how we solve Pythagoras. That's how we do it when we are looking for the shorter side. When you're given a hypotenuse, how do we find the missing side? It's square everything subtract root. When you're looking for the hypotenuse, it's square everything add root. In the next video, we're going to be doing SOHCAHTOA. So come back then, you're going to find it nice and straightforward. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.